So we're back here at Broadway Avenue and Main Street, but here we go. That one does not work. So this button over here just dead. The button over here is not working anymore. Once again, like 1 year ago it was working, but now that thing actually stopped working. As you can see right there. So it's already nighttime right now when I was filming this, so we're gonna cross. Let's cross. So let's give this thing a shovel.
Walk sign is up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, here we go. Alright, that one's dead. That one's not working anymore. You remember like almost 2 years ago it was working? Now 1 year ago somebody actually broke it. Yeah, everybody was playing some music around, but yeah. Stupid button, dude. So that LED lighted up because I pushed it, so. But the speaker actually broke off of it. But yeah.
Wait.
This one says wait, crossing Broadway. So that sign over there says Broadway on it, so we're gonna do this.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
That one's not working anymore, this one here. That one's actually deading up. You ready? So we're gonna wait until that red hand over here will turn on. So basically, when the red hand over here will turn off, the gray pedestrian guy will turn on. Here's that Main Street sign right there as well. So you ready? Look. Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, I guess it never worked. I was pretending like this button does not work here too. Yeah, that one's not working anymore. I ain't trying to see this, but this one does not work. But this one actually still works. Like I tested like almost like 4 months ago or maybe 5 months ago. That one does not even work. Now let's film another crosswalk that we're gonna film right now. Zoom in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
Traveling east, I said. Traveling east. And yes, somebody took down that Broadway Avenue sign. I don't know who, but it sounds really nice. So I'm waiting for that, this traffic light over here will turn red any moment. And I'm waiting for this traffic light over here to turn green, and then I can cross. No, I mean that traffic light on the back side. And so as that. Here's that light over here that turns red.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Broadway Avenue. Walk sign on. Broadway Avenue. Broadway Avenue. Walk sign 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, that's all. Have a good night.